Parents, Dyson DC41. We've had this vacuum for about, I think we've had it for about 2 or 3 years at least, and we've not really had any problems with it. It's been a good vacuum. My parents use it for the house, so yeah, like I said, it's my parents' vacuum. Well, over here I have bits of paper on the floor, so we can test it. So I'm just going to plug it in. I don't know how it's going to do, but we'll see. Wow! I'm quite impressed actually. Sorry about that, it's just my brother screaming. Don't know why he's screaming, but as you can see, there's bits of paper in the bin. But yeah, so that's done the test, so thank you for watching and goodbye.